Welcome to this transformative hypnosis session designed to unlock the full potential of your mind for success. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. Now exhale, releasing all tension and distractions. With each breath, feel yourself drifting into a deep, peaceful state of relaxation. Imagine a wave of golden light gently washing over you, starting at the top of your head and flowing all the way down to your toes, dissolving any stress, any resistance. This golden light is the energy of limitless potential, confidence, and clarity. With each breath, you are sinking deeper and deeper into a state of pure openness where transformation occurs effortlessly. Now, visualize yourself standing at the top of a grand staircase that leads to the depths of your subconscious mind. With each step down, you feel yourself going deeper, unlocking your full mental potential. 10. Stepping down, feeling lighter. 9. Deeper and deeper. 8. Releasing old doubts, ideas, and limitations. 7. Aligning with your true purpose. 6. Feeling more focused and empowered. 5. Knowing that success is already within you. 4. Almost there. 3. Stepping into your limitless potential. 2. Deeply connected to your highest self. 1. Arriving in a sacred space of clarity, confidence, and boundless success. Now, in this sacred space, visualize a powerful vortex of success swirling around you. This vortex is filled with limitless opportunities, unstoppable motivation, and undeniable confidence. Step into this vortex and allow it to reprogram every cell of your being with the energy of pure success. Feel the clarity and certainty that you are already successful. Imagine yourself in a reality where your goals manifest with ease, where opportunities arise effortlessly, and where achieving greatness is your natural state of being. Now repeat these powerful affirmations in your mind and simply allow them to sink deeply into your subconscious. I am limitless, powerful, and capable. Success flows to me effortlessly. Every action I take leads me to my highest achievements. I am confident, focused, and unstoppable. Opportunities for success are everywhere, and I recognize them easily. My subconscious mind is fully aligned with my goals. I attract prosperity, wisdom, and success in all areas of my life. I am the master of my mind, and my mind is programmed for achievement. With each affirmation, feel the deep truth of these words anchoring deeper into your subconscious. Feel them becoming a part of your identity. Now visualize your future self, the version of who you already are achieving these great dreams. See how confidently they move through life, effortlessly accomplishing their goals, making powerful decisions, and fully embodying their success. Step into that version of you. Feel their confidence, their power, their unwavering belief that they are destined for greatness. This is who you are now. This is your truth. As you integrate these powerful truths, know that they are now deeply embedded in your subconscious. From this moment forward, you will begin to notice new opportunities, enhanced clarity, and a powerful shift in your mindset. Now, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling energized, empowered, and ready to step into your highest success. When you are ready, open your eyes, fully awake, fully aligned with your limitless potential. Your mind is now fully programmed for success. From this moment forward, every thought, every action, and every opportunity will align with your highest potential. Comment below, I am unstoppable, to affirm your new reality. Like this video to lock it in to your successful new mindset. Share this with others who are ready to step into their own greatness. Subscribe to Sleepy Couch Hypnotherapy for more transformative hypnosis sessions. Ready for a deeper transformation? Book a personalized hypnosis session, QHHT, past life regression, or other hypnotherapy services with me, Tatiana Mera, at https://www.tatianamera.com. Success is already yours. Just go ahead and step into it now.